Hey everyone, it's Riley, and today I'm going to be doing some more digital bullet journaling. So what we're doing today is just setting up a single weekly spread in my digital bullet journal. Normally I do all of my weekly spreads in like short form content. So I post a reel every week on Instagram as well as a TikTok of my weekly spreads. But I know that not all of you guys are on those platforms or enjoy the short form content. So I decided to try just like once a month to do my weekly digital planning on YouTube here instead of just as short form content. So we're going to get into the actual planning right away. Before we do, I just want to kind of tell you what bullet journal I am using for 2024 and what I am loving about it. This is a journal that I designed, disclaimer, but I have been absolutely obsessed with it. What I've done is designed a fully customizable digital bullet journal for 2024. So every month in 2024, you can just take 30 to 60 seconds to choose your theme for that month. You get to choose out of 25 different themes. You get to choose your layouts. Do you want a Sunday start, Monday start, list style calendar? Do you want a vertical weekly spread, horizontal, a schedule view? You get to choose all of that stuff. It is customizable on so many levels. And whenever you purchase the journal, you will get the remaining months of 2023 for free. So this November one, you can buy it either for $2 on its own in my Etsy shop if you just want to try it out, or if you're like, yep, I'm sold, I want to try this for 2024, you will get November and December for free as well, so that you can just start planning right away. So that's it. I don't want to give you guys any huge long sales pitch. You can find it in the description box if you're interested. Now let's get into the planning, and please do comment down below if you enjoy this kind of content. What other digital bullet journaling content would you like to see? So I wanted to share this video in real time so you can see how quick and easy it is to do a weekly spread in this digital bullet journal, because all of the like cutesy stuff has already been done for you. So the first step for me is I always go to my monthly calendar and just copy and paste all of the events for that week. So I'll use the lasso tool in GoodNotes, copy them, go to my weekly spread, paste them, and then just rearrange them, maybe resize them and drag them around to the proper date, time, all that stuff. And I do get this question sometimes about what these stickers are and if they're available in my shop. And no, they are not available. These actually are just like very, very quick little stickers that I made in Canva. So if you look closely, it says like movie night, 7 o'clock, swimming lessons, 3:55. Like these are very specific stickers to my life and my schedule. And so what I do is at the beginning of each month or the end of the previous month, I go into Canva, I look at my calendar, and I make little stickers like this that are specific to like recurring events. If I have like a birthday that month, maybe I'll find a cute little birthday element in Canva and just get that in the colors that I want or whatever. I absolutely love Canva. I use it so much. And so that's what I did here is I just made myself a little sheet of stickers and then download it as a PNG, which is only available, unfortunately, if you have Canva Pro. But the stickers that you see here are so simple. You could easily make them in something like Keynote. You honestly could probably make similar graphics in GoodNotes or in Procreate or anything like that. So as you saw, the first step was bringing in my events. So I bring those in from the calendar, resize them, move them around to the appropriate day. The next thing that I've been doing is just kind of plotting out my work tasks. So I put 3 bullet points on each day because I'm going to kind of map out my top 3 priorities for that day, and then those 3 priorities will be copied and pasted onto my daily spreads eventually. So that's what I'm doing here. And I don't use the weekly spread a ton because I do like to have a much more detailed daily spread for each day. I'm a stay-at-home mom, I work from home, so I like to organize my day by like morning, afternoon, evening, the things that I want to get done in those different time slots. And so the weekly spread just isn't enough space for me to do all the planning I want to do, so instead I decide to keep it very minimal. I try to come up with 3 priorities for each day, and then I do use the task list at the bottom to write down my non-work tasks, so things that I still want to get done that week but that aren't part of my like work priorities. Now in the November sampler, this is the only weekly spread available to you. However, once you start using the full journal in 2024, and even actually in December. In December, you do get some more customization than you do in November. You don't get to choose your themes. There's just one December theme, whereas in 2024, there will be a bunch of different themes that you can choose from each month. For December, you only get one theme, but you do get the customization within the month. So you can choose between 3 different calendar layouts. You can choose between 3 different habit tracking layouts, 3 different memory keeping layouts, 2 different task list layouts, 3 different weekly spreads for each week, and 2 different daily layouts. So this is the vertical weekly layout, the only one that comes with the November sampler. However, starting in December, I'm expecting that I'll probably move to a different weekly layout, one that has more space for planning my tasks. So that would be the little horizontal weekly layout that is included in December. And of course, if you have any questions about this journal, either the November sampler or about the full journal that's available for 2024, feel free to ask those down in the comments or reach out to me in my Etsy shop. That's a great place to get a hold of me as well. So moving on to kind of the third step. So I've dragged in all of my events. I've plotted out my main work priorities for each day. Now I'm going down to the task list and I'm just writing down some things that I would like to do that aren't work priorities or that don't need to be done on a specific day. So as you can see, organizing my closet, ordering some picture frames, things like that. So as you may be able to hear, my son just woke up. He's upstairs. I have like less than a minute left in this voiceover though, so I'm just gonna push through and I'll go get him out of his crib right away. So that's the end of my task list. Now the final thing that I am doing in this weekly spread is just kind of decorating. So this is one of the freebie stickers that comes along with the full 2024 digital bullet journal. This is actually a calendar for November 2024 because that's what this journal is for, but I decided to use it on this spread anyways, just for decoration, not for any purpose at all. And I'm also using one of these free little paper clip stickers that comes along with the 2024 customizable bullet journal as well. You can find a whole folder of freebies when you do order the full version of the bullet journal. And there's these calendars, there's paper clips, washi tape, Polaroid photo prints, or like frames, all that kind of stuff. Just a bunch of fun stickers to decorate your spreads. And that was it. It took about 5 minutes and I've got this really beautiful weekly spread. Thank you all so much for joining me to do a little bit of weekly planning. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next video.